Okay, so I showed you this when I got it, and I hadn't used it yet. We used it today. We went down through, let me see if I can switch here. We went down through 14 inches of concrete with a 4-inch bit, basically. And everybody's just thrilled to death with it, the way it worked. And I'm telling you, it didn't lose a tooth. Went through rebar. It was pretty impressive. So you ought to get you one if you do any kind of work like this. The price is unbelievable, and they're on sale right now. The kits and everything, you won't believe the price. Go ahead and check them out and get them now. Bye. Okay, everyone. I sped this up quite a bit so you can see it, see how we go. Look at the thing rip through that concrete. It's amazing. Look, I'll let you watch it if you want. If not, go ahead and buy it. You're going to be glad you did. Thanks now. Talk to you later.